Hey beauties, hope we're all doing well today. So today I decided to just jump on really quick to do a soft makeup glam with you guys, and in the midst of that I have something that I want to share with you that is really dear to me, something that I've been working on. So I want you to stick around throughout this story so that you can see what your girl been up to. And so some of you may know this, some of you may not, but I have been in the beauty industry not only as a professional makeup artist, but also a beauty educator. And if you've been following my content, you will see that I tend to lean towards teaching a lot, because that is definitely something I enjoy doing. I love to teach, makeup, and I have in the past, taught ladies who are beginners, who are even intermediates. And one of the things I aim at doing in those classes or in every tutorial is to ensure that I am teaching how to achieve skin-like makeup, because one of the things that even students will share with me is that they love how the makeup looks. It looks like skin, it doesn't feel heavy, they feel confident. And at the end of each class, they feel more confident in their makeup skills. And that's the aim, because when I started doing makeup, I didn't feel as confident as I feel now, and that is because I've learned that makeup is supposed to be used to enhance your natural beauty and not mask it. So I have created an ebook, an ebook to help beginners as well as intermediate to learn how to achieve skin-like makeup. See, makeup doesn't have to be complicated at all. It can be soft, it can be simple, and still be powerful. And that's the aim, not only when I do clients makeup, not when I'm teaching students, but even in this ebook, it's to help beginners to achieve soft skin-like makeup that enhances their natural features, as well as to help them to be confident in their makeup skills as a beginner. So if you've ever felt overwhelmed by too many steps or tutorials that are extremely difficult to follow, then this ebook is definitely for you. If it is that you love skin-like makeup, you love when you wear makeup and you feel confident, it doesn't feel cakey, it doesn't feel like you're wearing layers of product on your skin, then honey, this ebook is definitely for you. And that is why I created an ebook, titled Skin-Like Makeup. And it's really a beginner's guide to achieve radiant, natural, and flawless makeup, one that is doable. So it doesn't have any complicated steps. It's definitely something a beginner is able to execute. And it will be launching soon, and I am actually pretty excited about that. A little bit nervous too, but I'm actually very excited because I know that this will be extremely beneficial to persons who are beginners or intermediate in the makeup world, who really just want to know how to enhance their features and achieve a skin-like makeup. So I know this will be extremely beneficial to you guys. So what I want you to do right now, so if you want early access to this ebook, as well as to receive a free quick start makeup guide, because that's a bonus for you guys, I want you to click the link in my bio and join the waitlist, so that whenever the launch of this ebook is released, you'll be the first to know. So click the link in my bio to get early access and to receive a free quick start makeup guide. And if you've made it this far in the story, then thank you so much for watching and being here with me. This is the final look. I'm just going to be sealing this look with my makeup mist and just allowing this to dry. But again, this is a quick, easy skin-like makeup that I've achieved just doing this story with you guys. And if you want to know how to achieve something like this, then I want you to definitely go ahead and click the link in my bio so that you will receive a quick start makeup guide and be the first to know when that ebook launches. Thanks again, beauties, for watching.